XRP holders, we definitely have to maintain some movement here coming with XRP shortly. If not, what we're going to see is another big drop down to that $2 range, and I'm going to explain why. If you guys haven't yet, make sure you hit that like button. Also subscribe to the channel. This is going to be a short-term price prediction, not a long-term price prediction. XRP's current volume is currently down just a little bit here, but I do want to explain that this is going to be the left shoulder. Over here is the head, and right here is going to be the shoulder. We're consolidating here, okay? So on this 1 hour, what we're seeing here is that 247 range there. That is going to be the top of the shoulder here. More than likely what we had seen here was going to be that double top M shape on the 1 hour platform. One thing that could happen here with XRP is that we kind of see that triple bottom, but more than likely what I'm still expecting is that what we're going to do is kind of just stop being a little bit oversold there, coming back up, getting closer back down, and starting to retest that same support of that 217 that we talked about previously on my live stream. Currently right now you can tell that we're still in a consolidation period. Also, if you take a look at a 4 hour, there is something I do want to mention. We have kind of been bearish for quite a while. We did have a doji candle. This is what is called a doji candle. You can also see that we've been pulling back ever since. That is bearish. That doji candle is bearish. So whenever we do take a look at the daily candlestick as well, the last 3 days has pretty much been bearish on XRP. Overall, with XRP's last movement in the crypto space, what we're seeing is some volatility here. You're seeing Bitcoin moving, also a lot of these other altcoins moving along with it. Bitcoin did hit all-time high yesterday, dumped pretty hard today. We also seen some movement like that coming on XRP. On the 15-minute here, you can kind of see we did hit a double top there, filled that gap. They with some trades right around that 242 and that 223. We're also starting to kind of see it get back into a neutral level on the 15-minute. We're getting closer and channeling between that trend, but overall I do think that we're pulling back from that trend there. Coming with on the 1 hour chart though, this is a key level here. I do expect that we're going to bounce up to around that 235 again. If not, what we're going to see is just a little bit of the RSI cool down as we start to kind of get back closer to that 216, 215. Whenever we started to kind of dump, a lot of people did start to panic, just like whenever we started to kind of see it climb back up from here. There was a lot of FOMO coming into XRP. A lot of holders are currently down right around 23% just within 2 days and 13 hours. The head and shoulders pattern has been going on for about 4 days now. We're getting closer to the end, as whenever this shoulder does drop below, we are going to see a potential pullback of around 16.85% if XRP continues. That $1.96 to that $2.04 range is going to be where the gap does fill. When that gap does fill on XRP, we might start to form another pattern that might be bullish, and I'll keep you guys updated with that. Also, if you guys haven't, make sure you do join the Patreon with the link down below in the description. You can get that buy and sell indicator that is on the screen, get the premium buy and sell alerts for altcoins and stocks daily. We chase well activity, everything in there. I do have Quizlet to help you learn TA, trading the market, so make sure you do join with that. As of right now, the XRP's latest move is the SEC's ongoing litigation plans weigh on XRP demands as investors await the January appeal deadline and see the major impact that is going to have along with that.